Howdy boys, wanted to do a short little clip of me towing with this 5.9 6-speed manual. I'm towing a 4th gen, so this is the NV5600 tranny. I absolutely love this tranny. I got this truck completely by accident. One of my people wanted to sell it. I'm like, say what? Selling a 5.9? It's an 03 6-speed manual. I gotta have, so listen up. This is like the true definition of a Cummins. It's slow, but it just keeps going. Just pulls. Feels comfortable at 1500. There she goes. I'm not giving her much throttle, just enough to put a little load on her. I got an exhaust brake. Everything's waiting besides I'm missing a switch that you put right here. So this truck's gonna have an exhaust brake. I went with Pack, I think it's called Pack Brake. I bought this thing probably about like 7 years ago. I had it on my 12 valve, and I sold that truck to my father-in-law, and he just doesn't want it. Just didn't want to have that thing go to waste, so I pulled it off his truck and made it right with the guy and got me one. I don't know if the video is doing it justice, but just hear me out. Sounds so good. I'd give the truck anywhere from an 1/8 to 1/4 throttle and let it do its thing. I really hope the mic's picking up all the beautiful sound. So this truck has a 4-inch down with a 5-inch out, and it just sounds good. Probably end up posting this video before I do a little reveal or video of this whole truck itself. Yeah, there's not much more there. I gave it, once the clutch engaged, I gave it half throttle. It really didn't change a whole lot. Truck feels happy at that 1/8 to 1/4 throttle position. Alrighty boys, that's the end of my video. This is a main road. I mean, we're about to pull on division. That's even worse. So, as always, may the Lord bless you. May Almighty find day. Ciao. Bye.